Hi there! Today we're going to talk about how to recreate this interactive menu to make your website more engaging and fun. So if you're looking for easy ways to make your website more dynamic, stay tuned.
To recreate this effect, you need to build a full screen menu layout using ZeroBlock. Then add animation on hover for each menu item and connect the menu to the page navigation bar using T1093 block. Let's break it down. Add a new ZeroBlock, delete all default elements and set the grid container height to 700 pixels. Enable autoscale. This will allow you to automatically fit your layout according to your screen size. Now onto the menu. Add a new shape and set its size to 300 by 700 pixels. Set the color to blue. Under border, add a 1 pixel border and set its color to a lighter blue to create a frame for each menu item. Duplicate the shape 3 times by holding Alt or Option on Mac. Select all and click Horizontal Spacing in the alignment settings. This will arrange the elements evenly across your layout. Add text for each menu item and center align text for each shape element. Time to insert the images. I will drag and drop them onto the artboard and place them just below the grid container. Let's add a dynamic touch by animating it. Select the first character and go to step-by-step animation. Set the event to on hover. Click Add Trigger, then select the first shape to assign it as the trigger for the animation to start. Now add the first step. Set the duration to 0.5 seconds. Y-axis movement -320. To make the animation smoother, adjust the easing settings under Easing. You can choose a preset or control it manually.
If you want to learn more about animation easing and how to use it in your work, check out this guide. The link is in the description.
Now, as we hover over the shape, the character image will appear from the bottom. Let's copy the animation settings and paste it for the second character. Next, replace the trigger by deleting the previous one and assign it to the second shape. And repeat the same steps for the rest of the elements by pasting the animation settings and replacing the trigger. Let's check out the result. We've created an interactive menu that activates on hover, smooth, engaging, and intuitive. Now let's add a micro interaction to make the effect even smoother. Set the background color to a lighter shade of blue. Select all shapes and go to step-by-step animation. Set the event to on hover. Duration 0.2 seconds. Opacity 0%. All done. Let's check it out. The hover effect works as expected. The character appears and the background lightens below. However, hovering over the text doesn't trigger the animation. Let's fix that. Select all text elements and set pointer events to none in the settings. This way, the user will not interact with the text layer. How do you set up the links then? To link your menu items to website sections, click each shape and add the section link.
Now we need to connect our menu to the navigation bar on a website, and there is a block that allows you to do it in just a few clicks.
Use T1093 block to create a pop-up out of your ZeroBlock. Add the block on your page, go to ZeroBlock with the menu and copy its ID by right-clicking and choosing Block ID. Then go to the Content tab of the pop-up block and paste it in the Block ID field. Next, copy the pop-up link. When clicked, it will open the pop-up. Once you have copied the link, go to the Content tab of a menu block, like this ME201 block here, and paste it under Menu. Let's check it out. Everything is working perfectly. Additionally, you can customize the pop-up block and, for example, tweak the animation appear effects for a smoother feel.
Will the effect work on mobile? It's a non-hover interaction, so it will not work on mobile, and it's better to showcase all elements at once, like this. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tilda's channel for more content on web design and marketing. Bye!